Go ahead.
Go ahead. Oh.
Yeah.
Right there.
Rub it on.
Let me slap.
First, I soak it for a little bit.
Slap it.
Don't slap it. Water's gonna go everywhere. That's it.
Yeah, it's a tattoo. You're not supposed to slap your tattoos.
Move your hand for a second. Ready?
Yep. Oh. Water is everywhere.
It's on there now. Oh, it's definitely on there now.
Rub it.
Kaylee got disturbed last night, Whitney.
Yeah, that's her.
Why?
Her.
Huh?
Video.
I know.
Her. What's that?
Remember when I told you when I walked outside?
Oh yeah.
me and Ray were like, we should probably go outside now. Kaylee's like,
Oh yeah.
Do your parents know that you know?
No.
Oh my gosh, look how cute that is.
Ray, turn. Dude, it's pretty pimping, actually.
What's it say?
It's like full color.
Bubble up.
Too bad it doesn't bubble up.
Shut up. I never do the other picture.
Oh my gosh, please don't.
I will.
You have to go through what I said last time. You're like, I'm putting my peg so it get big. I put on Randy's peg to get smaller. Randy, don't move. Randy, move it. I'm so upset. Focus.
Don't put it on Facebook. It's kind of weird. Very much. What are you
Let's
doing?
try the tattoo. Buckle up, tattoo.
my monkey nose. Are you still videoing?
Uh-huh.
Oh, that's gross. Don't be putting this on Facebook either.
I can't upload big pictures on Facebook to my phone.
No.
I'm sorry, Tyler. What did you say?
Too sexy.
Tyler, you want to slap this tattoo?
I'm too sexy for your party. Too sexy for your party. Something about disco dancing.
Just put one on here too.
Those are so not going to be even, and it's going to bother me.
Sucks to be me. Sucks to be me. What are you doing, Tyler?
Video.
Oh, great.
You're videoing upside down.
I'm videoing sideways.
Hey,
No, you're not.
Correction.
You're taking a picture.
Take that, Randy.
Yeah, Randy.
There you go. Little one for you.
Oh my gosh, they're not even.
Oh, yeah. You want to put one here too? Like, what?
You're such a faggot.
Come on, Randy.